So, you've just leased or purchased a brand new office copier or printer. Exciting, right? Faster printing, smoother scanning, and some pretty powerful software features are on the way. But you might be wondering, what actually happens between signing the paperwork and printing that very first page? In this video, we'll walk you through AIS's installation process step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. Hi y'all, I'm Marissa with AIS. First step in the installation process, it all starts with the paperwork. Once you sign your agreement, our Connectivity Activation Team, or CAT for short, reaches out. They'll send you something called the Network Information Form, or NIF. This form is where you tell us how you want your device set up. Do you need scanning to email? Do you use shared folders? Will your team fax? Or just print? The NIF also collects details about your network and users, so we can pre-configure your machine before it even arrives. Here's the key takeaway. The more complete your NIF form, the smoother and faster your installation will be. Incomplete forms are the #1 cause of delays. Once the form's done, your order moves to our logistics team. They'll schedule delivery and installation around your office's needs. If you have old devices, this is also when we figure out if AIS is removing them, or if another vendor is handling the pickup. Pro tip, clear a path in advance for delivery. Nothing slows things down like a copier stuck behind a filing cabinet. Next, we'll determine if your setup will be handled either virtually or on-site. Virtual installation works best if you've got a smaller setup or if your IT team can help install drivers. For some devices, especially Kyocera models, we can handle almost everything remotely, saving time and cost. On-site installation is better for larger, more complex networks, or if you want hands-on training for your team. Either way, AIS tailors the setup to fit your business. Once your device is connected, your AIS rep will walk your team through the basics, like loading paper, replacing toner, and exploring key features. If you're replacing a similar device, you may not need a full session, but training is always available if you'd like it. Even with planning, hiccups can happen. The most common issue is connectivity. For example, if the copier can't reach your server for paper cut, our connectivity team will work with your IT department to get it fixed. Mechanical issues are rare, but if we spot one during delivery, the device gets tested, repaired, or swapped before it's fully installed. Once you're up and running, AIS is still here for you. You can reach support by phone, email, chat, or even text. We also have a customer portal where you can request service, order supplies, and track device performance. And your sales rep doesn't disappear either. They'll check in regularly to make sure everything continues to meet your business needs. The best copier or printer installation is the one you hardly notice because it runs so smoothly. At AIS, our goal is to make the process predictable, stress-free, and tailored to your office. So if your business is in Las Vegas, San Diego, Palm Desert, or Pasadena, you can count on us to handle every step of the installation process. By understanding the steps, completing the network information form fully, and preparing your space, you can help us get your device installed and ready to work with minimal disruption. Got any questions? Give us a call or visit our website ais-now.com, and remember, you can worry less with AIS.